Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting unboxing for you guys. I have a little helper, as you can see. This is my newest delivery from Mumsy Bub. It literally just landed on my doorstep and you guys know what's going to be in here. Pocket size traveler's notebooks.
Well, let's open.
We are going to open it. So it landed on my doorstep about 60 seconds ago and I'm itching to get it open. I've been waiting for this for so long. I'm so excited about this most recent release. What's out?
It's sharp.
It is sharp. What's in here is a complete mystery to me, so I'm very excited to see what I have. Put that up out of the way. Nice and safe. Ready? What's inside? Some tissue paper.
Huh?
No. Traveler's notebooks. What's in here? We've got two. Oh, how exciting. I have two helpers now, apparently. Okay, so first off, we have a couple of, hold on, a couple of business cards. We have the Mumsy Bub business card with their website on it, which I will link in the description box, along with a 10% off discount code for you guys. We have a card mentioning the VIP group, which I'll also link below. Keep an eye on that because they always have sales and special offers and giveaways and things. And then we have a little sampler sticker sheet, which is awesome. This is on their premium sticker paper, which feels absolutely beautiful. I really like it. Really cute stickers. Okay. Are you helping me open? Okay, someone very clearly wants to get into these, so why don't you gently? Oh, what is it?
Wow.
Oh, it's inside out.
What's in the open this one?
Okay, so this appears to be one of the solid color. Oh, this is Nightwish. Hold on. We've got to show this one first. He's very excited. So this is the Nightwish color. It's a purple metallic. Really cool, as you can see. Secretarial pockets, and this one has a card slot, which is really nice. This actually feels a little bit thicker and slightly stiffer than the normal non-metallic traveler's notebooks I have. Stitching all the way around the pockets. There are 4 strings, and the strings are a slightly contrasting purple, which is really nice. Feels really nice, this material. It definitely feels more sturdy than the other one. So if the other one's too soft and fluffy for you, the metallic ones might be more of a way to go. So I think Nightwish and, gosh, I can't remember the name of the other one, but it's like a tealy color, I believe. But anyway, this is the solid color without the glitter spine. Really like this in person a lot more than I thought I would. Beautiful color for autumn. What a beautiful berry sort of, oh, I can't even explain the color. It's gorgeous. Corinne, do you want to help me open the other one?
Okay.
Have you lost interest?
Yumming.
Come on then. Can you open it?
Oh yeah.
Open the bag. Open the bag first. Open this. Pull this apart. Yeah, like that. Yep. Good job. What's in there? Gentle. Gentle. Think it's going to be another one. What do you reckon? Oh.
That is
okay. Yeah. Grab it. Pull it. Gentle. Oh, this is pretty. Isn't it pretty? Oh, look at it. It's glitter. Oh, this is pretty. So, yay. This is what I've been super excited about. The glitter spines. Look at them. Like, that is just so amazing. Look at that glitter. Oh, I just love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That makes me ridiculously happy. I have the biggest grin on my face right now. I can't even explain to you. Oh, I love glitter. I'm such a magpie. This is gorgeous. Oh, it's so shiny in real life. I'm so happy. I think this is Lilac Mist. Pretty similar. If it's not Lilac Mist, I'll be very surprised. I'm going to have to double check that. Okay, so I just went and looked it up and this is definitely Lilac Mist, which is awesome because it matches my B6 size Lilac Mist. Oh, it's so pretty. I have a few other colours that I have my eye on that I'm going to go and order as soon as they're released. So I haven't even got to the inside of this one yet because the outside is so beautiful. Inside is that lovely soft suede that you usually get on their traveler's notebooks. It has the same secretarial pockets with the card pocket, and this one has a pen loop. So I am very excited to get some more of these. I want a few of these. I love pocket size. It's my absolute favourite at the moment. I've been in it since the start of this year, and I don't see myself changing anytime soon, and these are such a good price. It is totally worth grabbing a few of them if you like to change your tans up every now and then. I am filming this today. This is the 21st. These go live on the 22nd, and I'll make sure that this video goes up on that day. So if you're watching this, these should be up in the shop. They will have other sizes with the glitter spine available. They are releasing new sizes all the time, so if they don't have the size you want, don't despair. Keep following them. More than likely it's coming. So that is all from me, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this little haul. Make sure you head on over and check these out in the shop. Again, the link's in the description box, and you can use that code of mine for 10% off as well, which is a nice little saving. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.